The HomBreez Air Purifier HB200 is a versatile 3-in-1 device that combines air purification, humidification, and aromatherapy, making it a convenient choice for improving indoor air quality. Equipped with an H13 True HEPA filter, it effectively captures dust and pet dander, ensuring that the air in your bedroom, office, or living space is clean and fresh. Its 400-milliliter water tank provides a consistent release of cool mist, maintaining optimal humidity levels in rooms up to 200 square feet. The device operates with advanced low-noise technology, ensuring it remains whisper-quiet, which is perfect for baby rooms, pet areas, or offices where silence is appreciated. Filter maintenance is straightforward, allowing you to keep the air purifier running at peak performance with easy filter replacements every 3 months. With seamless integration to the SmartLife app, you can enjoy full remote control over the device, enhancing convenience by setting schedules and adjusting settings from anywhere.